So we invited parents from the school to come in and learn how to adapt toys, and not just toys, but any kind of gift for their child for the holidays. We really wanted to try and get this done early December, so while parents are out shopping for their kids, they can keep in mind that, oh, this is something that I can adapt for my kid for the holiday and make it just a little bit more special for them.
I think a lot of our parents have expressed that it's a struggle to find toys that their kids can play with in a way that's fun and easy. And when they do find stuff, it's really expensive. So we're hoping to show that with not too much money and just a little bit of learning, you can turn almost any battery-powered toy into something that you can use with a Switch.